Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem relative sort array. We're given an array of elements and we want to sort it in a specific way. And that way is defined by a second array where all elements are unique. And that second element tells us what order those elements should appear in. So for all the elements that appear in this second, let's say, key array, we want to, when sorting our array that we want to sort, make sure that their relative order is the same, as in that key array. And all the other elements in our array that we want to sort, that do not appear in the key array, we want to just put them in ascending order at the end. So, one way to think about it is that for every element in this key array, in this array 2, we want to know how many times it appears in array 1. Because if we have that, then we can go through all the elements of this key array, add them to the result, the number of times that they appear in the array that we want to sort, and after that, we have already passed through all the elements of the second array, and if there are any more elements remaining from the first array, then we just have to add them to the end. So, we can implement it by using a counter, so we just initialize the counter on all the elements of the array that we want to sort. By the way, this method is very similar to the counting sort. So if you're familiar with a counting sort, this should be very simple. And we'll be creating the result by passing through all the elements for which the order is defined in this second array. And we'll be adding them to the result the number of times that they appear in the original array. And so this will give us this relative order. And then after all that, and of course we have to remember that we don't have these elements anymore, we don't have to put them to the result again. And after that maybe some elements are still remaining in the counter, and then we just put them in sorted order and return the result.